We divide 134 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 4 and it is 34. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 134 divided by 5 is 26.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.